is there a way to convert degrees, minutes, and seconds so I can transfer to this method? Yeah, so what Mario's talking about there is doing your toe in terms of an angle rather than a measurement. And again, let me just jump over and do a quick definition of what Mario's talking about there. If we're looking from overhead, and let's say this is our string line here, and this is our tire, and we're measuring our toe. I've got this exaggerated quite a lot. If we're going to measure at the front of a tire, measure at the rear of a tire, say this is the front of the car here, obviously we've got toe out, that means we're going to measure a smaller distance at the front and a larger distance at the rear. And what Mario is asking there is, I've got a linear distance, which is definitely the convention when we're talking in motorsport terms, just because of its convenience. But in the OEM world and road cars, people often talk in terms of degrees, millimeters, seconds as an angle. So you can just convert that really simple using a little bit of Pythagoras there. If you know the radius of the wheel and you know the difference, so this difference between, in this case, these different ruler measurements you've got here, this becomes this distance here. And then you can use the radius of the wheel on the other part of that triangle there, and you can just solve for the angle using, sine, cosine, tangent, all of these basic sort of mathematical principles. You can easily convert between them. It's really, really simple. If you do join up as a member, I'm happy to dig into that question in more detail and maybe give you a more detailed answer, even help you through working that out. But I'm pretty confident you'll be able to work that out just using some basic sort of school maths with that one there. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you want to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about optimizing the performance and handling of your car on the racetrack, as well as improving your skills behind the wheel. Plus, you'll have the chance to ask your own questions, which we'll be answering live.